It's me, Mommy April. Today is extra special because this is our first family trip to Macau. Syempre, we're so excited to explore and take you along with us. So, let's go! Please watch my video. Yan. Super happy and super excited. Yan, picture. Yan, ganda 'di ba? Yan, para kang nasa Europe. Yan, Eiffel Tower. Welcome to Eiffel Tower. Sa Macau po yan. Yan, with Daddy. And Abed. Yan. We had so much fun exploring and syempre eating delicious food. And super happy and kahit nakakapagod kasi kailangan mong maglakad-lakad syempre. Hope to enjoy